Hello and welcome to Bare Beauty Basics. So today I'm going to show you how you can achieve this look in under 5 minutes. Yes, absolutely under 5 minutes you can do your makeup if you are a busy mom, you are a busy businesswoman, if you are always running against time, then this video is helpful for you. So in this makeup routine, I'm going to show you how does my makeup look like on absolutely on a daily basis when I'm most of the time running late for something, and very easily achievable look. So here is how you can achieve it. So in this 5-minute timed makeup, I focus on parts that absolutely need attention and some work, and hence I decide to work with my brows. And the first 1 minute I spend perfecting my brows. I'm using a micro pencil by Mars. This is a very good dupe for the benefit, precisely my brow pencil, and it does get you to a point where you have absolutely perfect brows in no time. And see how beautifully the strokes look so natural. It is not overwhelming. The color is dark brown and it doesn't look unnatural or stark in natural daylight too. And as I'm making these strokes, I'm also brushing it away to just soften the look of the brush strokes that I'm doing here. So that's it with my first step, and that's how my brows look after spending around a minute on them. Next, I'm going to strategically move on to concealing spots which absolutely need some attention. So, areas under my eyes, near my eyes, my mouth, some spots on the cheek, the folds near the nose, and all of that. Very little amount. I'm just taking. The key here is to stick to a color that is closest to your skin tone. It doesn't have to be exact match, but a color that is, if you are a neutral toned person, then you can't use a cool or a warm color here because it has to merge in flawlessly and very effortlessly into your skin, which wouldn't give you the look of makeupiness. So, sticking to a very neutral, if you are neutral, cool, if you're cool, and warm, if you're warm, is very important. So this is a very neutral concealer that I'm using from Swiss Beauty, and it is in the number 6. And I'm using my fingers, I'm not using any brushes, because I want to get a very flawless finish quickly and without much effort. And here I have a flawless base to add on some color and give my face a little more life. Next, I'm adding a slightly lighter color concealer. This it's same from the Swiss Beauty brand, and this is 2-3 shades lighter than my skin tone, which adds as a highlight, and it looks very natural. So I'm just taking one dot each under my eyes, a little on my nose, some on my chin, and just dabbing it so that I get a nice natural looking highlight. And now my face is ready for the lipstick. I'm using, this is a very close neutral pink color, which is Meher by MAC. It is the new maximal version of Meher. It is more comfortable to wear, and I'm using the same color on my cheeks just to keep it simple, effortless, but still adding some life onto my face. This is very easily blendable as a blush too, so you can go ahead with any creamy lipstick as your blush color, and see how easy and effortless this look is. You can absolutely get it done without any pressure, any stress, in under 5 minutes. And last, I'm touching up my lashes with a little bit of mascara, not too much. I'm using Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Very light coat. I don't like heavy, very clumpy lashes. So I'm just using a very light strokes so that I get just a little more of pigment onto my lashes and they look black. So Doing that automatically makes my face look much more alive and awakened. Now, if you have some time, you can add some bronzer to your face just to chisel out your face. If you have a chubby face, you can use a bronzer to add on to your look. This is an optional step, but you can if you have some extra time on you. And this can, automatically give you some definition onto your face, which is not bad. So I'm using a on a bronzer by PAC Spotlight, and the shade is called Showbiz. And that's how you can achieve a flawless finish in under 5 minutes. And if you feel you have a little more time, then I would spend that time on my eyes. This is a shadow by Pat McGrath, and I would pick up uh, a nice shimmery shade and just pop it on my eyes, just for a little bit of glam. Very, very tiny bit. And that makes a lot of difference on your entire look. You could also go ahead and do some highlight, and for that, and these two steps are additional. If you have a little more time, probably 5 more minutes, then you can do this. So I'm taking the highlight by Becca, and this is the Champagne Pop highlighter, and I'm just going to take a little bit, highlight a little under the brow bone. That's it. So that's about it for a quick everyday makeup to glam up your office looks, to glam up your daily looks, to feel fresh, confident, and beautiful. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss important makeup tips. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.